Starting a business is exciting, and it's easy to get caught up in the fun parts, the name, the branding, your first sale, but taking care of the legal groundwork will support everything that follows, and it's worth your time and effort to do things right. Let's walk through the key steps to starting a business under state law. Step 1. Choose your business structure. Most small businesses start as LLCs, limited liability companies. They're flexible, versatile, offer that coveted limited liability shield, and come with fewer formalities than corporations. But there's no one-size-fits-all answer. The right structure depends on your ownership, tax goals, and long-term plans. If you're not sure whether to form an LLC, a corporation, or something else, lean on your team of experts. Your accountant and business attorney are two valuable resources at this stage. Step 2. File your articles of organization or incorporation. This is the document that officially creates your business under state law. You'll file it online through the Secretary of State's website, listing your business name, registered agent, and how the company will be managed. Choose your name carefully. It needs to be distinct and ideally something you can trademark later. This filing is what gives your business legal standing. Without it, you're what's called a sole proprietor. It's a default status, and not only is it outdated, but it lacks the benefits of legal entities like LLCs or corporations. So make the stronger play and choose a modern structure that will protect you. Step 3. Select a registered agent. Every business is required to list a registered agent, someone with a physical address in the state who can receive legal and government documents on your behalf. You can be your own agent, but here's why many business owners aren't. It puts your personal address on public record, you risk being served legal papers in public or in front of clients, and it opens the door for financial disclosures you may want to keep private. If you're working from home or value your privacy, this is a good time to consider a registered agent service, especially if offered by your attorney as part of business formation. Step 4. Apply for an EIN. Think of an employer identification number as your business's social security number. You'll need it to open a business bank account, hire employees or contractors, elect S-Corp status for tax purposes, and apply for credit or funding. You can apply for free through the IRS website or have it handled as part of your legal services. Either way, the step should happen immediately after your articles are approved. Step 5. Draft your operating agreement. This is your business's rulebook, and it's more important than most people think. It outlines who owns what, how profits and losses are split, how decisions are made, and what happens if someone leaves, retires, or passes away. If you have more than one owner, this document helps avoid serious disputes. And even if you're solo, an operating agreement can strengthen your liability shield and give banks or investors the confidence that you're running a real operation. Step 6. Prepare internal governance documents. After formation, you'll want to document your early actions, things like appointing officers or managers, approving your operating agreement, and authorizing your bank account. For corporations, these are required. For LLCs, especially multi-member LLCs, they help preserve your liability protection and keep everyone aligned. These are often called initial resolutions or organizational minutes, and all of these documents are key for running your business like a business, not just a hobby. Step 7. Open a business bank account. This step should happen before you start accepting payments or covering expenses. Now, most companies will have to cover startup costs with personal funds before bank accounts are in play, but you can ratify and reimburse these costs through your initial resolutions to keep things tidy. Mixing personal and business funds is one of the fastest ways to lose your limited liability protection, so put a system in play and stick to it. Once you've got your articles and EIN, you can open a dedicated account at most banks. Just a heads up, some banks will ask to see your operating agreement even if the state doesn't require one, so be ready. Final thoughts. Start strong. Starting a business isn't just about getting off the ground, it's about building something that's stable and scalable so it lasts. When you handle the legal setup early, you protect yourself, you earn trust, and you create the momentum your business needs to grow. If you're ready to start your business in Ohio and want someone to handle the filings, documents, and guide you, we offer flat fee startup packages that include articles of organization drafting, EIN registration, operating agreement drafting, registered agent services, initial resolutions, and support for what comes next. Schedule a free consultation today and let's launch your business the right way.